In this video, I'll show you how to restore a deleted campaign in Google Ads by creating a fresh copy from the campaigns list. While Google Ads does not allow permanently removed campaigns to be directly reactivated, you can recreate them using the copy method, which saves time and keeps most of the original structure. Start by opening your Google Ads account and clicking Campaigns from the left navigation menu. Make sure you are viewing the full campaigns table, then adjust the campaign status filter to show all campaigns so removed ones become visible. Locate the campaign with the removed status and select it by checking the box beside its name. A context menu will appear at the top of the table where you can click Edit and then choose Copy. After copying, clear the selection so nothing is highlighted and click Paste to generate a new campaign with the same settings, ads, and structure. Keep in mind that historical performance data will not transfer to the new campaign, since it is treated as a separate instance. Review the copied campaign, adjust the name or settings if needed, and it will be ready to run again. Subscribe for more clear and practical Google Ads tutorials.